In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Xaero's Minimap mod here in Minecraft version 1.21.8 and onwards. If this video does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more guides just like this. Now, this minimap is super useful. It actually shows your location on a small map on the right side of your screen. But in order to install it, you're first going to want to exit out of Minecraft if you currently have it open. And yes, that does include the launcher. And essentially just open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to open up Google Chrome, but you can use something else. Now go to curseforge.com, click on this little Minecraft section, and in this option that says search for Minecraft mods, go ahead and type in Xaero's Minimap, and then as you can see, it's going to be this first option up at the very top. Go ahead and select that, and then what you're going to want to do is click on Files, and then filter it by all game versions on 1.21.8. Now for the mod loader, go ahead and select Fabric just like so, and then click on the three dots next to the top file on this page and hit download file, and it's going to take you to a page right here where you just need to stay on it for 5 seconds and it's going to automatically start downloading. As you can see, it just downloaded for me. There's a few other things we're going to need. The first thing is actually the Fabric launcher. So open up another tab and go to fabricmc.net and hit download, and then hit download for Windows, and it's going to automatically start installing. And then hit the little back arrow on this page and you're going to see an option for Fabric API. Go ahead and click on that. Filter by game versions of 1.21.8 and then click the top link and then hit download file again. And once again, it's going to take you to a page. You just need to wait 5 seconds and it's going to automatically start downloading. For Fabric API, for some reason, it always says suspicious download. Just go ahead and click on this and then hit download suspicious file and you're good to go. But while that's downloading, open up the Fabric installer and it's going to look something like this. Just make sure you select version 1.21.8 and then make sure create profile is ticked and hit install. And then once it finishes installing, hit OK and exit out of this. From here, you can close out of Google Chrome and open up the Minecraft launcher again. Once you load into the Minecraft launcher, there's going to be this latest release section. Click on that and find Fabric Loader for 1.21.8 and then go to installations. Find that exact same loader in here and click on this little folder icon. And then it's going to open up a page that looks like this. Scroll down until you find the mods option. And here you're going to want to go ahead and actually open up another file explorer page just like so. And essentially take those mods that we just downloaded by going to the download section and drag in Fabric API up at the very top and then drag in the Minimap mod just like so, and you can close out of these now. Now go back to the play section. Once again, just ensure that it says Fabric Loader 1.21.8 and hit play. Once you get loaded in, simply go ahead and either just get into any single player world or any other world that you've used to have. And what's going to happen is when you spawn in, there is going to be a minimap in the top left or top right. Now there's a bunch of settings that you can change to make this minimap even better. Y is the thing that actually opens up the minimap settings, so you can change those however you'd like. But that's actually going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Minecraft content just like this. Also, this is a really interesting biome. What the heck? Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.